So everyone, this is the bike. Definitely probably want to upgrade the cushion. The cushion is definitely very hard unless you're a very small person. But other than that, great bike. I've tested it out a bunch of times. I'll get some footage for you guys, but don't inflate the tires too high. We did 40 psi. The tire says rated for 70 max. I think 40 seems to be good, but you can play with it a little bit. But let's actually test out, show you guys us riding. This is VEVOR's bike, and I must say it's a very nice bike. So we still need to put on the foot pedals and test it out, but setup was very easy, no problems with it. Quality's very nice. It looks nice. Everything about it just looks nice. Looks like a really nice bike. Everything pretty much came assembled, except we need to put the chain on here, and you had to put the handlebar on, which was really simple, and the seat you had to put on, which was simple, and also the front tire, which was simple. So overall, very nice. And you could definitely go fast on this thing as well. But let's up the gears here. The brakes also work very well. Do want to go over a couple things just to make it simple for you guys. For putting on the bike seat, you just simply slide it down, and then here, this little lever here, you pull this out and you just twist it. So you just turn it. So you turn it to make it tight, and then you push it down like this to lock it in place. So that's for the seat. For the chain, you just lift it up on the correct side, and then you do the same for the other side. For the pedals, you just simply thread them on. Use the tool that they give you. They have it marked L for left and R for right. For the front tire, it's very simple. Take out, there's going to be a metal rod that goes straight across. Take that off, and then you put the wheel inside here, and then you just simply put it in between. So this little bracket here is going to go in between the bolt. So this bolt goes in, and it's going to look just similar to that. The handlebar, you just simply line it up like this. So you take these out, you take these little bolts out, and then you line it up in between. So in between this bracket, and then you just make it tight again. Once you have the wheel lined up with the bar and the frame, then you just tighten these on the side as well. Again, super easy. I mean, really easy to follow through and do it. It's probably one of the easiest bikes I've put together.